Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more exciting videos like this one. In this video, we'll be sharing an amazing Keylight lamp hack that will transform your living room. Living room Keylight lamp. Everything you need to know. Living room Keylight lamps are an essential part of any living room decor. Not only do they provide the necessary lighting for various activities, but they also enhance the ambiance and aesthetics of the room. Choosing the right Keylight lamp for your living room can be daunting, especially with the numerous options available in the market. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about living room Keylight lamps, including the types, factors to consider when choosing, benefits, and maintenance. Types of living room Keylight lamps. There are different types of living room Keylight lamps, including floor lamps, table lamps, pendant lamps, and chandeliers. Floor lamps are a great option for large living rooms as they provide ample lighting and can be moved around with ease. Table lamps, on the other hand, are perfect for small living rooms and provide a more intimate lighting setting. Pendant lamps and chandeliers are ideal for high-ceiling living rooms as they provide overhead lighting and add a touch of elegance. Factors to consider when choosing a living room Keylight lamp. When choosing a living room Keylight lamp, it's essential to consider several factors. These include the size of the room decor, the purpose of the lamp, and its energy efficiency. For instance, a large living room may require a floor lamp, while a small living room may require a table lamp. The lamp's design should also complement the room decor, while its purpose should align with your lighting needs. Lastly, choose a lamp that's energy efficient to save on electricity bills. Benefits of using a living room Keylight lamp. Using a living room Keylight lamp comes with several benefits. For starters, it improves the ambiance of the room by providing the right lighting for every activity. Whether you're reading a book or watching a movie, the lamp's lighting sets the mood for the room. Additionally, Keylight lamps provide better lighting for activities such as knitting, sewing, or playing board games. They also enhance the room decor by adding a touch of elegance and style. Lastly, they're energy efficient, ensuring you save on electricity bills. Maintenance and care of living room Keylight lamps. Proper maintenance and care of your living room Keylight lamp ensure it lasts longer and functions efficiently. Cleaning and dusting the lamp regularly prevents dust accumulation, which can affect its performance. Checking and replacing the bulbs when necessary ensures the lamp provides optimal lighting. Lastly, repairs and maintenance should be done by a professional to guarantee the lamp's safety and functionality. Conclusion. In conclusion, a living room Keylight lamp is an essential part of any living room decor. Choosing the right lamp can be daunting, but with the factors discussed above, you can make an informed decision. Remember to consider the room size, room decor, purpose of the lamp, and energy efficiency. Using a living room Keylight lamp comes with numerous benefits, including improved ambiance, better lighting for activities, and enhanced room decor. Proper maintenance and care of the lamp ensure it lasts longer and functions efficiently. FAQs. 1. How can I choose the right living room Keylight lamp for my room? Consider the room size, room decor, purpose of the lamp, and energy efficiency. 2. What are the benefits of using a living room Keylight lamp? Improved ambiance, better lighting for activities, and enhanced room decor. 3. How do I maintain and care for my living room Keylight lamp? Clean and dust regularly, check and replace bulbs when necessary, and seek professional repairs and maintenance. 4. What are the different types of living room Keylight lamps? Floor lamps, table lamps, pendant lamps, and chandeliers. 5. Can living room Keylight lamps be energy efficient? Yes, choose a lamp that's energy efficient to save on electricity bills. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Share this video with your friends and family who are looking to revamp their living room lighting. And as always, leave your comments and suggestions below.